Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we will do a poem given in your book Broadway on page number 36. The poem is Ferry Me Across the Water. If you look at your booklets on page number 6, I have given you this poem. The first question is, do the reading of the poem Ferry Me Across the Water given on page number 36 in Broadway. Number 2 question is, underline the difficult words and read them again and again and also learn their spelling. First, you look at your books. I will read the poem and you will underline the difficult words on your book. Page number 36. Ferry me across the water. Ferry me across the water, do boatmen do. If you have a penny in your purse, I will ferry you. I have a penny in my purse and my eyes are blue. So ferry me across the water. Do boatmen do. Step into my ferry boat, be they black or blue. And for the penny in your purse, I will ferry you. The writer of the poem is Christina Rossetti. The name of the writer is Christina Rossetti. You underline the difficult words. First, ferry, then across, boatman, penny, purse, then is I think step. That's all. You underline the difficult words and also learn their spellings for your dictation. Now I have also given you the third number number 3 short summary of the poem. The writer of the poem, Christina Rossetti, says to a boatman to take her across the river in a boat. The boatman asks the girl that he will take her across the river in a boat if she has a penny in her purse. The girl answers that she has a penny in her purse and she has blue eyes. Then the boatman replies that she can step into his boat and he will take her across the water for a penny in her purse. So this is the short summary of the poem that the writer of the poem, Christina Rossetti, writes about a girl who wants to go another side of the river, and he says to a boatman to take her across the river in a boat. The boatman asks the girl that he will take her across the river if she has a penny in her purse. The girl says that she has a penny in her purse and also she has blue eyes. Then the boatman replies that she can step into or can sit in his boat and he will take her across the water for a penny in her purse, means that if she gives him penny that is in her purse, then he will take her to the other side of the river. Number 4 is, give the answers of the following questions. First question is, what is the name of the writer of the poem? As I have written that the name of the writer of the poem is Christina Rossetti. So we will write the name of the writer of the poem is Christina Rossetti. Question number 2 is, what does the girl say to the boatman? The answer would be, the girl says to the boatman to take her across the river in a boat. The girl says to the boatman to take her across the river in a boat. Question number 3 is, what does the boatman ask the girl? The answer is, the boatman asks that he will take her across the river in a boat if she has a penny in her purse. This is all about the poem Ferry Me Across the Water. You have to read it again and again and also learn the spellings of the poem and have to write the answers of these questions. Now there is a topic in your book, grammar tree book, naming words and special names. I have also given you this grammar topic in your booklet on page number 14. If you look at your booklet on page number 14, there is a topic naming words and special names. When we write our name, we begin with a capital letter and all the other letters are small letters. The reason is that our name is a special name given to us. Everybody has a special name which is his or her own. Here are some special names like Rabia, Rashid, Annie, Zahir, Saman, Umar, Tony. But a thing like a table, chair or pencil does not have a special name because these are not special things. We call a pen a pen. We do not begin writing of names of these things with capital letters. In short, we can say that we have to start special names with capital letters like Rabia, Rashid, and Zahir. But we don't start the name of any other thing with a capital letter like a pen, pencil, table, chair, because these names are not special names. These are the name of things, are the name of common things. I have given you question number 1 on page number 14, that underline the naming words and encircle the special names in the following sentences. Sentence number 1 is Beena plays the piano. So what do you think, which one is the special name? Beena. Yes, Beena is a special name and piano is a common name. So you have to encircle Beena and underline piano. Sana loves music and games. So Sana is a special name, so you have to encircle Sana and underline music and games because music and games are not special names. Third is Aruba opened the door. Aruba is a special name, so you have to encircle Aruba and underline the word door because door is not a special name. In D, I have 2 dogs called Bozo and Rusty. So Bozo and Rusty are special names, so you have to encircle Bozo and Rusty and you will underline dogs because dogs is not a special name. E is Raza and Hamid went out to feed the hens. Raza and Hamid are special names, so you will encircle Raza and Hamid and you will underline the word hens because hens is not a special name. Now question number 2 is write 10 naming words and 10 special names in their respective columns. One column is naming words and another column is for special names. You can write the special names from question number 1, or you can write your own special names from any paragraph or from your book, and you have to write 10 naming words like any common words like pen, pencil. These are all common naming words. Now at the end of the page there is a question. Do page number 36 and 37 which are about naming words and special names in the grammar tree second edition. Now in your book, on page number, your grammar tree book second edition, on page number 36 and 37, there are the exercises for special names and naming words. You have to do these pages by yourself. And still, if you have any problem, you can ask me at your WhatsApp group of class 1A and 1B. You all are added in that group. Thank you.